Today we're going to make an orange smoothie in the Julius style, similar to what you'd find at the mall. The most important thing to make this drink is a blender capable of crushing ice, which should not be a problem for most normal blenders. This recipe is fairly straightforward. It takes 1.5 cups of ice, or about 6 regular ice cubes, 2 cups of orange juice, 1 cup of regular milk, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla. Optionally, if you want to make an orange strawberry smoothie, you could add a cup of frozen strawberries, or if you want orange banana, you could add in a regular banana. But for today's recipe, we're just going to make the regular orange smoothie. Alright, let's make ourselves orange smoothie. So we're just going to take the lid off the blender. And you wouldn't normally need to measure out your wet ingredients like this, because the blender would usually have measurement markings on here. So we'll start by putting in the 6 ice cubes. That's about 1.5 cups of ice. Making sure your hand's clean. Then we're going to put in our 2 cups of orange juice. And then we're going to put in our 1 cup of milk. Oops. Then we're going to put in our 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then we're going to put in our half teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, then we'll put the lid on our blender, making sure that it's tight, because this could potentially make a pretty big mess. Making sure the spout is tight, and then we're going to turn it on and put it on our smoothie setting. But again, if you don't have a smoothie setting, just put it on high for a minute or two. Okay, and what you're looking for is just to make sure that there's no large chunks of ice still in there. And you can sort of see through the glass bowl if there are any. But this looks pretty good. So we'll just take our pouring plug out. And there you go. An easy do-it-yourself at home orange smoothie in the Julius style. Now if you let it sit, it will settle out, but that's okay. If that is a concern, you can drink it with a straw. But it's fine drinking it fresh out of the blender, and that's best. Alright, recipe done. Thanks for watching.